Whew, I need some room to breathe. Where's Connor? What? What up, guys? It's your boy Connor. What do we have here? We have so much stuff. We decided to go ahead, hit the Amazon cart, and pick up some goodies. What should we start off with? Let's go ahead and knock out some of these smaller items, so that way we can get to the big boxes here later. Woo, buddy! So we have the newer LED video lighting. Open that? Yeah, buddy. What do we got? We got wrapping or shipping sheets. This is the Pro Gaff tape. We're gonna go ahead and put that on the camera so no one can just see that it's a Canon camera out the gate. We got we had another one somewhere up here. What's this? I feel like I don't want to rip it and cut whatever is in here. What is this? What is this? I have no idea what this one is. Nothing in there. Shipping sheets. Nothing there. Oh, this is cool. I forgot I got this. This is going to mount, I forgot what the brand of this. It's going to mount onto the top of the camera for the hot shoe. And that way you can have your microphone and your lights on top. So that way you have proper lighting and then you have your microphone all on the hot shoe. Is that it for the smaller boxes? It is. Okay, cool. We can dive into this one. I am so stoked to start practicing with this camera. We actually have Jose. He just picked up a new Road Glide, and we're gonna go try to get some shots of his Road Glide in the evening hours. And we're doing this unbox. It's the camera! Eee, dog! That is just bothering me. Oh, get out of there. I hate that noise more so than, dude, we got goosebumps. More so than like the chalk. Oh, dude, this is so dope. Comes with a bunch of manuals. We're totally gonna go in depth on this one a little bit. Oh, dude, this is so stoked. It comes with battery, charger, battery, all that nonsense, and the strap, and then the body itself. Dog. Oh, forgot I got this also. So when you start ordering a bunch of stuff on Amazon and you just let it sit, we were going to do the unboxing, I forgot all about this. This is a camera bag. What's this tape? Yeah, this tape. That we ordered. Tyrian, whatever, it's got these little snaps. It's a top load bag, but I think that this comes with a giant pillow, is that it keeps your camera gear on the back end so that people can't really look at the top of the bag for your gear, and it goes here. So you have a top compartment, but it's separate, and then you have this bottom compartment for your lenses, your camera, all this nonsense. You got a little Velcro pouch here and the zipper strap here for another pouch. Cool. Next box. Ah. Yeah. Kamehame. Ha. As we cut over here. What is this one? Little pillows. Box. I don't remember what this one is. Oh, I think this is the microphone. This is the Daily V Mic D3 Pro. Now, we're gonna go ahead and review this a little later on in the video. We'll do a camera put together video, camera construction, vlog, whatever it is. So it comes with your normal stuff. Here's the microphone. It looks similar to the Rode microphone, the Rode Go. And it's the same shotgun style mic we're gonna put on top of the camera. We have this dual little mount that we can put the microphone on, and this newer light. Big box. What do we got in here? Oh, there we go. There we go. Ah! This is the goodie box right here. Zomi, whatever you pronounce it. This is a tripod that we will be doing a review on it. We finally upgraded the tripod. We have that one that the GoPro is currently on, and it's broken, so it's seen a lot of Gorilla Glue that's holding it together, and it's held up with it, so it's been a trooper. More bubbles, or packing pillows. So let's dig everything out. We have a white box, we have an extra Canon battery, we have a Canon lens, and then another Canon lens. Woo. What is this? I think this is a lens, yeah. It is a lens hood for the lenses. It's a hood for the lenses. We have an additional battery for the Canon 80D, and then we have lenses. We have a 10 to 18 millimeter lens, and then we have a 24 millimeter lens. Put that back there. And we have the pancake lens. This is the 24 millimeter. This little fella, look at that, so cute, so small. This one just looks like a good time. This is all the gear that we ordered. We are investing into the channel a whole lot more. I'm excited to run this. This official vlog setup is good to go. I'm so pumped. We have the shotgun mic. We have a camera that we can take with us and get better quality footage. The GoPros have served their purpose. I love them. If you are trying to get into vlogging, moto vlogging, whatever it is, any camera that you have is better than no camera. And if you're curious as to what our setup is currently, we're gonna go ahead and include all the links down below. We have some studio lights here that we've been using. They're great. It was about $150 for 3 of them. They've been running well. They're probably gonna break now that I said it. Just boom, boom, bulbs go out. But this is us now. We are officially moto vlog ready. So that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and while you're right there, move on over to the right, hit that bell notification to be notified of any new videos when they drop, as soon as they drop. With this setup, we're gonna be experimenting, doing a couple other items coming to the channel. And how about that sporty? Yeah, I'm excited to get the new blah! What's up? This whole time, we didn't have our microphone on the GoPro, even though we dropped it in the video. So this is just a prop, this video. Much love. Heck yeah.